Around 1999, my wife and I were starting to have our family, and the house that we lived in was about 2,000 square foot. It was wonderful for the two of us, but to have a family, we required a larger house. So we finally managed to purchase the house, and it was Christmas of 2000. So we hired an architect to basically provide us with a good plan to expand the house to almost double the size. Once we started designing the house, we made sure that it is a one-floor house. We added the new addition, which is about 2,000 square foot. We completely added the garage, large garage, 3 spaces. And then we added a kitchen in there. We have now 2 kitchens, full functioning kitchens, a total of 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and we increased the square footage for around 2,800 to 5,100 square feet. The entrance is a little bit small, but it was on purpose so that it's not too apparent from the outside. But once you come into the house and you walk in, you have a huge living area in front of you with the kitchen, with the family room, and then the windows completely open up to a colorful backyard with vibrant colors and the water feature. Part of the kitchen replacement, we picked the mahogany cabinetry, black granite stone. We replaced all the floors with either crema marble or granite. In the kitchen area, we chose granite because it takes a beating and still keeps looking beautiful. This house is not only perfect for entertainment, but is wonderful for children. It's a pretty safe neighborhood. Number one is the cul-de-sac, which is very quiet, and the yard is childproof. I designed it to be childproof because my kids were born and were starting to grow here. My family is very animal friendly, and especially the children, they love dogs. We made this house very easy for dogs to come in and go out and basically have a huge yard to go and wander around. We are outdoorsy people, and Arizona affords us the possibility of living outdoors year-round. And we designed the yard in the style of Barragan, who's a Mexican architect and plays a lot with walls and very vibrant colors. And our favorite place now, actually the kids as well, is always hang around outside, enjoy the water feature outside, enjoy the gazebo outside, and the beautiful expansive yard. One of our main design ideas was to make the backyard an entertainer's dream. So when we designed it around a water feature, which is a really cool modern water feature. But the gazebo is very modern, it's fully functional, it has water misting, it has fan, it has sink, it has barbecue installed in it. The pool is a large pool, it's not a small pool, and it's a diving pool. A lot of our guests, once they come in and they have never been here before, they always ask, hey, how big is your yard? This is huge. This is like a park. And it actually is the result of the way that we designed the backyard. And because of the colors that we used. The yard, one of the nice things about it is that in the summertime, because of the 100-year-old eucalyptus tree, after about 1 o'clock, it's shaded. So you can sit outside and completely enjoy it. We have an area specifically for the children's swing set, sand play area, we have the sports court. So it is something that entertains everybody from 2-3 years old all the way to my old age. For the past 17 years, my family have really enjoyed living in this house. We have shared a lot of fun memories together, and I'm sure that the new owners will find the same happiness and have the same fun memories and enjoy the wonderful neighbors that this house affords.